Okay.
Do it. Now back away. Back it up and do it.
You don't have to wear your glasses if you don't want to.
Do you want to throw me your glasses?
Or you can leave them on. Up to you.
Okay, show me how you shake your tail. Here. Thank you. Okay, shake your tail. Step, step, hop, shake.
Step, step, hop, hop, shake.
That's a good one.
It's a good dance. Very nice.
Yeah.
Step, step, hop, shake.
Back over here.
Back over there.
Step, step, hop, shake.
That's a good one, Em.
Step, step, hop, shake.
Can you count to 10 in Spanish?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes.
Can you do a somersault?
We're getting everything, Em.
Nice! Yay! Ta-da! Now it's time for Emily.
Now it's time for Emily. Great.
Oh, yeah.